What in the world is four-wheel Jive up to?
Thank you, Mahal. I'm glad you asked that. I found another Hot Wheels with black paint for my collection. It's a Target exclusive red edition. Next, I've decided my garage needed a custom FJ45 Land Cruiser tow truck. I decided to use a Greenlight Golf 1956 F100 tow truck as the boom donor. Rather than build my own, I decided to use this one because the boom already had emergency lights and a hook, and I like the way it looks. Searching the internet, I found several FJ45 tow trucks on DuckDuckGo to use as inspiration for my build. This is the first of two tow trucks that I'm going to build. I drilled out the rivets on both castings, and on the tow truck I had to scrape off the tabs on the underside of the bed to release the boom. It turned out that the boom was made of rubber, and when I was prying it out, it ended up with stress marks on the lower supports, but it's going to look okay once I paint it, I think. To make the boom fit better, I had to put a shim between the two wheel wells to lift up the boom to be able to slide it more towards the back. Once I did that, I think it looks much better and the hook isn't so close to the tailgate. And here is the completed Hot Wheels FJ45 tow truck. I've moved the boom to the rear of the tow truck so that the hook hangs ways from the tailgate. For the road grime work and door highlights, I used Tester's Creative FX Black Wash. I painted what little detail there was on the winch front bumper, and I painted the face of the mirrors silver. The tires are out of a Greenlight wheel and tire pack. Thanks for watching. I hope you like my Hot Wheels FJ45 tow truck.